Hello, welcome to my first video in highway engineering subjects. Today I would like to talk about highway geometric design. This is one of the chapter in this subjects. Before we go further, let me start about the content of my presentations. First of all, we are going to look about learning outcomes and followed by introductions, element of design, side distance, horizontal alignments, road cross-sectional element, road finishes and drainage. Right? However, for this session, I'm only cover until side distance. Alright. For learning outcomes, right, at the end of this chapter, students should be able to calculate stopping side distance and passing side distance, calculate horizontal alignment, sketch and describe road cross-sectional elements. As for introductions, alright, please have a look about geometric design. What does it mean about the geometric design? Actually, a geometric design of highways facilities deal with the proportioning of the physical elements of highways such as horizontal alignment, vertical alignment, lane width and cross sections. Okay, then the objective of the geometric design is to provide safety to the drivers or vehicles and also to provide an efficient and economical system of highway and roads. Alright, next, the element of the design. Okay. What's the element that we consider in the design? Alright, first of all, we are going to look the side distance and then horizontal alignment and after that vertical alignment. Each element is designed in accordance with various standards of practice in Malaysia, such as JKR, LLM, H2, and also HCM. Alright, without further ado, let we start about the side distance. Okay, side distance is length of highway visibility ahead to the driver of a vehicles. Okay, the side distance can be divided into two types, which is stopping side distance and overtaking side distance. All right, stopping side distance in short form I'm use SSD. Okay, SSD actually is the minimum distance required to stop vehicles at or near the design speed before it reaches an object in its path. SSD equal to perception reaction time plus braking reaction time. Perception reaction times is a distance traveled from the time the object is sighted to the brake applied. D1 equal to 0.278 Vt, which is V equal to design speed in km per hour and T perception reaction times, and then braking reaction times is distance required for stopping vehicle after the brake applied, D2. D2 equal to V squared over 254 F, which is F equal to friction factor. Alright, so SSD equal to D1 plus D2 or perception reaction time plus braking reaction times. Actually, the perception reaction times depends on the age of the humans. Right? The younger age of people, maybe they have the shorter perception reaction time. However, the older age of the people maybe had a longer perception reaction times. Alright, okay, now overtaking sight distance, OSD. OXD is the distance is long enough to enable the vehicles to overtake and pass another vehicles in front without interference. Alright, OSD actually equal to D1 plus D2 plus D3 plus D4. D1 equal to VIT. I refer to the impeded vehicles. V is speed, okay, speed of impeded vehicles multiplied by T, small t, okay, times T, time in seconds, plus D2 or VI capital T, the capital T equal to 4S over A square root, or 4S over A to the power of half, plus 2S, right? S equal to 0.7 VI plus 6 plus VP T. VP refer to speed of the passing vehicles. VP multiplied by capital T. So this is the formula for capital T, right? So the formula of overtaking sight distance equal to D1 plus D2 plus D3 and D4. All right, please look at this figure. All right, so the black one is overtaking vehicles and the white one is overtaken vehicles. All right, okay, so this vehicle will moving in these directions. All right, okay, if you look at here, the D1 is this distance, okay, from the overtaking vehicle started to overtake these white vehicles. So this is the D1 and D2, right? D2 is a distance of started to the black vehicle is started to overtake these white vehicles until they enter back to his lane, right? So this is, we call it D2, and D3 is the distance between the overtaking vehicle with oncoming vehicles, D3, and D4 actually the head width or front of the vehicle to the front part of these vehicles, or we call it the head width. Alright, so the total D1 plus D2 plus D3 and D4 equal to capital D, or overtaking sight distance. Alright, okay, so OSD, overtaking sight distance, equal to the distance of D1 plus the distance of D2 plus the distance of D3 and plus the distance of D4. Alright, so that's all for today, and see you again in the next sessions. Thank you.